Hello dear friends, today I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in a very cheap price and how to get free lifetime hosting. So first of all, there are many websites which provide us domain names like GoDaddy.com, BigRock, AwardSpace, free hosting, Hostinger, etc. But right now only GoDaddy provides us domain at very cheap price as compared to others. So if you will go to the godaddy.com, you will still get the domain at the same price, not the cheap price. That will be the regular price they offer to the customers. Like I will go you and you will visit godaddy.com. What happens when you will search for some domain? For example, here's my name Mubashir Kaza. We'll look for a domain name. You will get a domain. It shows me here it's an offer right now for Go domain. If you will buy a domain for 2 years, then you will get the domain for 149 rupees for first year, and for additional years it costs approximately 959, which is actually the same price they will charge you if you will buy it for 1 year. So now I will show you how to get it for a cheap price. So search here Go domain, GoDaddy 349.com. So you have got an ad here and it states GoDaddy rupees 349.com sale, book your domain today. And you can also get here domain in 199 rupees, that is .in domain, but we have to buy a .com domain. So let's get started. So as you can see that we are getting here a notification that tells us special offer .com domain at just rupees 349, and if you will extend the domain after 1 year you have to pay rupees 700, approximately 699. But here is the thing that you that they provide only one domain for rupees 349 to one customer. So right now I will search for a domain, for example Mubashir Kaza is my name. So here the search are loading. Yeah, you can see that this is available domain and it is for 349. For example, sometimes you get to see that when you search for some specific domain, it shows you that this is a premium domain. Don't try to buy it because it will cost very high this amount. For example, this is the keyword and it shows it's a premium domain and its price is very high. It is because sometimes it is because they think that this domain will do some work. That's why they hire its price very much. So we'll go back to my domain. Here you will go, then you will select the domain name. It will check that if it is available or not, then you will simply go and continue to cart. So here it shows some of the offers. If you want to buy privacy protection, it will simply hide your email address, make it private, your contact information from the rest of the world, else it will be public. So right now we will say no thanks because it will simply add to the charges. The next web hosting, right now we don't want that because I will teach you how to get free hosting. And email address, I will also teach you how to get a free email address. So I will continue with these options. My internet is a bit slow, sorry for inconvenience. So here it shows me that I'm going to buy this domain for 2 years, but which is not the case. I won't buy it for 2 years, I will just buy it for 1 year. 1 year. As I will apply a promo code that is here. Apply. Okay. As I have already used this offer once, so I won't get it again. So if you will try to buy it, you will easily get it for 349 rupees. You have to sign it here. You will create an account, you will sign in, and then you have to just buy. I have already created an account. So I will just sign in. Okay, so then what you will do is simply you will add your payment methods, and here you go, you're free to go, and you have bought your first domain successfully. After that you will get a notification email from godaddy.com in which you have successfully bought your domain. So to get it is a complicated process. It involves two steps, that's domain and web hosting. Generally web hosting costs a lot, from 200 per month, that means 2000 approximately per year, but I will teach you how to get absolutely free domain hosting lifetime with a very good benefits. So I will teach you. We'll go to freehosting.com. It's a very good site. It has competitors like WordPress.com, but it's the best which you can get right now. So right now we will go here, we'll sign up for free. Yes, here is the free. I will teach you because I already my account logged in this freehosting.com. I don't want that trouble. Here is it. That is the free. If you want to buy paid, you can also buy it for $7 to $9 per month, but I will prefer this one. When you will feel that your website is growing, you are getting a lot of traffic and your website is getting huge, then you can change your web hosting. So I have already bought the domain, so I will try another one. Okay, because it was showing me the problem because I had already used that one. So what will you do here? You will continue. You won't buy anything here, but these are add-ons and you have to pay for that. Here, as you see here, it is totally free. We will continue using this offer. And then what you will do here is, as you have already seen, here is you'll check out. You don't need any promo code. So I had to register all of these details. Then what I will do is, here is PayPal. I will select the PayPal because I don't have to pay for anything, and I will complete the order. As I will show you that when you will complete the order, you will get a message like this. You will get the message from the freehosting.com, which will clearly state that will be a welcome message, and within a few minutes you will get a message that will, here is the GoDaddy, here is the free hosting, account information and order confirmation, etc. You will get all these messages. Then you will use these names or address provided here. Here you will use them on your GoDaddy website. I will show you how to do that. GoDaddy website. Yes, click on the web address you just bought. You can set up it or manage it. Here is manage DNS. So by default it will be custom here. But when you see, it will be here default, and you have to change it to custom, and then you will add these name servers here, and you will save this. You are good to go. Then again you will go to freehosting.com. For logging in here, it will show that you have one service included in here. After that, what you will do is you simply go to what you will do here is that here's services, click on the services which they provide you. Here's your account and is currently active. Press on that. Log into control panel. Once you are logged into control panel, here you would directly go to the WordPress. Here's WordPress. Click on WordPress. Then install. After installation, you will get a message, successfully installed. As I have already installed WordPress on this, I will tell you how it works. Then content.com. You will see this. My site is online. This is the WordPress installation, the latest WordPress theme which is provides for free. Then you can customize your website as you wish. Thanks for watching.